In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and TradingView. By the end, you'll know how to open a gold chart and draw a clear rectangle to mark a price zone. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search box, type TradingView. You'll see TradingView. Track all markets near the top of the results. Click that to go straight to the official site. If this is your first time on TradingView, the homepage may highlight popular markets, but we'll use the site's search to get exactly what we need. Once the site loads, look for the search bar at the top of the page. Click inside it and type gold versus US dollar, or simply XAUUSD if you prefer the ticker symbol. From the list that appears, choose the gold versus US dollar market to open its chart. If you see multiple listings from different data providers, any standard listing is fine for this demonstration. With the chart open, focus on the toolbar along the left side of the screen. This is where all the drawing tools live. Find the geometric shapes icon. It looks like a set of shapes bundled together. Click that to expand the menu of available shapes. From the drop-down, select Rectangle. This tool is perfect for highlighting support and resistance areas, consolidation zones, or any price range you want to keep an eye on. Now move your cursor over the chart canvas, the blank plotting area where the candlesticks are displayed. Click once to set your starting corner, then hold and drag diagonally to define the size of your rectangle. Release the mouse to complete it. You've just created a visual zone on the chart. A few helpful tips as you refine it. You can drag the rectangle to reposition it without changing its size, and you can pull on its edges or corners to resize it precisely. If the color or transparency is too bold or too faint, click the rectangle to open its style settings and adjust the fill and border so your price action remains easy to read. Zooming in or out before you draw can make placement more precise, and choosing a time frame that matches your analysis style, like the 1 hour or daily chart, will help the rectangle reflect the context you care about. When you're happy with the placement, consider locking the drawing to avoid moving it by accident. If you have a TradingView account and you're signed in, your changes can be saved with the chart layout for next time. That's it. Search on Google, open TradingView, load the gold versus US dollar chart, choose the rectangle from geometric shapes, click on the canvas, and drag to create your zone.